Hi. To translate a field in a form, you need to go to the form. For example, if we go to question setup in the ticketing module, we can see the form. Now, if we want to translate the fields here, we need to click on the fields edit icon, and then click on manage translation, and you need to select the translation for which you want to translate this field. You need to select the language. So let's say if I want to translate this field in German, so I would select German option, and then I need to enter the translation for the German option. And similarly, I can switch to another language and then change the translation to for that language. And and this is how you can change a field's translation for different languages. Let's say if we go to another field, a custom field in this case. So accommodation required is a field. Now if we want to translate it, we would click on manage translation, click on select the new language. So this is D. It says it is for German language, so I can now enter the translation for accommodation required in German. And similarly, we can also translate the field options and uh, and then switch to another language if we want to translate. Otherwise, we can move to another field. We can also change the translation for dependent fields. So very similar to what we do for the parent field. And you can also translate other forms. For example, let's say if I go to account creation form under the registration form, so there I can translate any of the existing fields. Like this. So you just need to translate in the fields, and the system would auto save your translations. That's it. Thank you. And one more thing, to preview it, you can click on the preview button, and you can switch to the new translation, another language, and there you can go to the account creation form. So it will display the translation for those fields for which you have translated the uh, default language from the default language. So we translated first name for English language to Spanish uh, with this text. So this is what is displayed when you select a Spanish in the drop down. So this is how the whole translation would work for fields in your forms. Thank you.